Yeah. All right, let's go, buddy. Good boy. So that's his first time wearing that rain slicker. So it's funny listening to him swish, 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 swish. Yeah. He's a sweetheart. He'll lean right into you now. He should. Yeah.
He must eat quite a bit, huh?
Yeah. Good boy, Dante. Okay, we're here. Hold on. Hi, buddy. Hi. How you doing? Good girl, Hunter. Good boy. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Good boy, Cole. Hello. Good girl. You're so good, Cole. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. That's Mabel. That's Maybelline. Maybelline and Cole. Oh.
You're friendly.
Yeah, Maybelline. Say hi.
Hi, Maybelline. What a great name. Hi.
Yeah, that's Cole.
Cole. Hello.
Cole, come say hi.
You're a dog walker.
Yeah, Cole, come say hi. Yeah, and just who they meet.
They're very nice dogs. Hi there,
Yeah,
sweetie.
Maybelline.
Maybelline.
She's too distracted by squirrels and other things.
Do they pull a lot?
They do, but not with the halty head collars on. That's why I use them.
Oh, that's smart. I was walking a friend's dog the other day, and I thought I was going to lose my arm.
Yeah, so yeah,
She was a real
puller. Exactly. I walk, up to 6 at a time, and I wouldn't be able to do it without those, and it stops them from eating shit off the ground as well.
Oh, well, that's good. Hi, sweetheart.
So this is Cole's first walk, and it's his first time wearing it, and he's doing really good.
Fine. Well, it's not as obtrusive as like a full muzzle.
Oh no, they can still open their mouth, still bark, still drink water, can still bite. But yeah, it's a lot of people mistake them as muzzles.
Oh, I might suggest that to my friend.
It's called a halty.
A halty.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's her dog, man. She walks faster than I do. That's all. She wasn't chasing squirrels or anything. She just walks really fast.
Hey guys.
Hey, Maybelline. Oh, hello.
Oh, so. Hey Max. Good boy, Max. Oh.
Is that cool?